This is to remind you that the immersive effect of 3D audio only works well if you wear your headphones.
Talk to me that way. wake me up, yeah. Reaching for your hand.